In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import reviews from a spreadsheet to Loox seamlessly. Whether you're transferring customer feedback for the first time or simply streamlining your process, this guide will walk you through it step by step. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to Shopify's website. If you're not already logged in, take a moment to enter your credentials and access your account. From there, head straight to the Apps section. Within your Shopify dashboard, you'll find all the apps you have installed, which can sometimes feel a bit overwhelming. So, take your time to scroll through and locate the Loox Reviews app. Once you've clicked on Loox, you'll be directed to its main dashboard. Here you'll find several options, but the one we want today is the section labeled either Reviews or Manage Reviews. This is where you can manage and organize all feedback you've received from your customers, making it the hub of our operation today. Now, inside that section, keep an eye out for an option that says Import Reviews, or something similar like Import/Sync Existing Reviews. This will lead you to the feature that allows you to bring in new reviews from external sources. After selecting the Import option, you'll be prompted to choose how you'd like to import these reviews. You'll typically have options such as importing from other sources or via a custom CSV file. For today's tutorial, we'll choose the custom CSV file. This selection is ideal if you've got a neatly organized spreadsheet on your computer ready to go. Next, you'll need to locate your CSV file on your computer. It's important to ensure that your file is formatted correctly, as this will help in a seamless upload. Find the file, select it, and upload it to the Loox app. Depending on the size of your file, this might take a little time, so be patient. Once your file is uploaded, you'll come across a crucial step, mapping the columns from your CSV file to the fields recognized by Loox. This means you'll need to align your spreadsheet's column headers with the corresponding categories in Loox. It's important to ensure each review aspect, like the reviewer's name, ratings, and comments, is correctly matched. Otherwise, you might end up with incomplete or mismatched data. After you've carefully mapped out the fields, it's time to confirm the import. Click through the confirmation and then wait for Loox to process your file. Loox may take a few moments to complete this task and, depending on how it's set up, you could receive an email with the results of the import. This email might provide a summary of imports or highlight any errors encountered. A handy feature if you want to ensure everything went smoothly. And there you have it. You've successfully imported your reviews into Loox, making it easier for potential customers to see and trust what others have to say about your products. Thank you for tuning in, and happy reviewing.